Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh for Shah and Dora. My name is Halim bin Johar. In this video, I'd like to share my work in Lab 1 Tutorial 2, which is multiplayer rock, paper, scissors. And before we develop this project, make sure first create a three new scene, which is the main page, lobby, and multi games. And second, go to Unity Store and download PUN2. Make sure download the free version, not the paid version, and as you have to pay it. And third, go to photoengine.com, register the account, and create the new application. By first go to the dashboard, click the new apps, and the create application windows will appear. Select the application type to multiplayer game and, and then select Photon SDK to the PUN and create your application name. For this project, I create the name. The name is RPS Lab 2. So as you can see, there is a lab ID. Copy the lab ID and then go to Unity and paste it in your Photon view, photo view in the Unity. Okay, so first in the main menu scene, first create the main menu UI, which have two buttons, single player and the multiplayer. Create the empty object and name it as game manager. Drag the two script, which is my scene manager and connect server. And all these two buttons will go to the button in the hierarchy and the on click function. Go to runtime only and drag your game manager object and drag it to the under the the runtime only input, and then click behind beside it and go to the my scene manager and click on the change scenes and make sure click the single films. So the function of this on click is to the navigate the button to the next scene. So if the single player, we navigate to the single player game. In the multiplayer button, we'll go to the multiplayer game. In multiplayer button, we'll go to the lobby. So in lobby, we have two input, which is player name and room ID. And first of all, create empty object and name it as game manager. Drag a create a two UI, which is room setting and waiting scene. So and unclick the waiting scene. In waiting scene, we have player one and player two text and start button. In the room setting, have player name, input room ID input, and enter room button. Create the new game manager and drag the lobby manager photon view. And photon view, we can get the photon view. We will go to component, photon king, and click the photon view. And if the UI have the button, make sure you navigate it by on click and drag your game manager in here. And go to in this enter room button, go to lobby manager and click the join room. In the multiplayer game scene, so develop the same UI as the last tutorial, but change the computer object to the player game object. Attach the spawn manager and photon view script into photon view script and game manager script into the game manager object, and go to build setting, go to build setting and add the open scene. Make sure the main page will be top of the scene, top of the selection, and then we can build it. So I think that's my tutorial today. Thank you.